Hey guys, no, okay, I am tired of saying hey guys every time. Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I am out already. What am I doing today? Oh yeah, there's a picnic planned somewhere, and I am going to go kill it. Yeah, drama queen. Okay, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed filming it. Does that even make sense? Oh yeah, it does. Okay guys, so I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.
Look out, here she comes. Woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, cause she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, cause she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go.
15? Oh my god, I'll take this one since it's all I have.
Yeah.
I wish I could buy more, but you don't have.
No, it's okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na. Never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart.
So I'm on my way to my friend's house. Her name is Zoo. We have to film together. You guys know her already. She has been on this channel actually. And Mimi is also going to meet us. Mimi is also coming. The three of us, we actually have to do. The light here is so good. The three of us actually have to film together. Okay, so. Give me that, give me that. I never order anything from Noodles this life again. Wow. I ordered for this dummy head. Wow. They went to go and give me head with hair. Can you imagine how stupid it was? I was like, wow. What is happening here? They gave me head with hair.
Which mall? Like
Dubai Mall.
Okay, Dubai
The
Mall.
one where you want to take taxi, cab people. That's why I got it from.
I checked the this one. I checked this one.
What's the shelling from? What of you? How do you always know what to wear? Why are you wearing the same?
Who is a copycat? She always copies people. Wait, how did I copy her or she copied me? This is what
Yeah, I was even saying both of you are wearing the same. same thing. Because
Oh,
I
what is it?
I got
174. I saw 184. This one is 184. This cup or this cup, which one do you like?
Hello, we're 3 here. What's up, guys? Hello, guys. What's the 2 people? How are you guys doing? My name is Ikash.
Why did you laugh? Explain yourself.
Hey!
See, her name is.
What up? What up? What up? What up? Ayo, ayo, what's happening, people? We see you. So today's videos.
Against location. Location.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no, no. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no, no.
Guys, battery dead at this point. Till next time. Sorry, guys.
So hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. Think of you and of all I should have done.
Come here, boy.